All right, one more. Oh, great. Ignore that. So I have another code. What did you actually ask me to do again? Oh yeah, okay. So walkthrough of code. I had the I was doing Java for this module this time. You can see that here. I have Java files. I hope that's pretty apparent. My project this time was making a movie picker. Back in high school, that was a small project I had made to pick some movies on my family's shelf. I ended up not finishing it because it wasn't very good, but since I was doing Java again, I thought I'd give the concept another shot. Still not very good. Probably not going to use it, but I don't know. It felt cathartic revisiting something that I failed at before. But there's two files. This is the main, and there's a separate movie Java class. It was all one file initially, but I finished the project too quickly, so I made it more complicated, and all in the name of being more robust. um, you see, I'm using two array. I'm using two array lists. One with built-in movies. One that's a movie array that's meant so that the user can, if they want to, add some of their own movies. That's why there's gonna be so many options. You'll see this later when I actually run the code. It's all just done in the console. With C++, I did something a bit more robust with having a whole window pop up, but I didn't feel like doing that this time. But yeah, there's a built-in movie list, and then the user can add movies. It's easier to show that here. Built-in movie list, pick a movie from your list. Then you can combine the two if you really just want to. I'm not going to explain that. List them, list your movies, add a movie, list unwatched movies, mark a movie as watched because there are separate variables. I'll show that here in a second, and then exit the program. What that refers to is what exactly gets tracked in the movie class, which is just a few variables: the name, whether or not the movie's been watched, and how many times the movie has been seen. Just as an additional sort of way of determining what movies you want to watch. If you want to watch something that you've seen before, you haven't seen before. I don't know. I thought it'd be fun. In some sense, I guess the time scene doesn't actually play into anything. I don't have that play into any randomized code. Like, oh, pick randomly, but make sure it's gotta be one of the ones that's prioritize it based on watch time. A different program I made did that forever ago. I don't know. Doesn't seem functionally all that different with its exclusion here. But yeah, user input, add movie, list the movies. All of the functions here, there are equivalent functions down this way. With an exception, well, there's read end, of course, and pick from list, like standard. This should actually be next to user input, just to make it make more sense. But here, seed built-in movies, this just creates the list. That's all. I think maybe there's a way of doing this where I like created the list from scratch elsewhere, but this is the way I've saw like other users doing it. So I mean, whatever it works, it's just a function that manually does addition, so it builds a list. And this function, this class just has some basic constructors with a default case of false and zero. Different ones, although this was actually get used. I actually come to think about it, but hold on, never used. Yeah. And yeah, just get functions, toString, because this gets called every so often. Yeah, nothing too complicated here. I should keep this short. It's already at 4 minutes. Pick a movie from built-in list. And I need to work on the formatting, but Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring, seen 0 times unwatched. Let's go ahead and mark it as watched then, because I have seen the movie a few times, as one does. It was Fellowship of the Ring. Okay. And let's just list built-in movies just to show that again. And you see, oh, did I type 1? Wait. Choose 4, please. See one time watch. Okay. More movies watched. I chose 8. I typed 1. Oh. That's why. Okay, I typed it in the wrong. Well, you see it worked. I just didn't realize I typed in the wrong number. Here, go 8 again. Fellowship of the Ring is 4. And then list built-in movies. Again. There we are. Now it's marked as seen. That's all. And we can add movies. I haven't tested everything, technically speaking, I guess. I haven't tested every single combination of things I can do, because in reality there are a lot. But I don't see any reason why any individual function here shouldn't work, because they all seem to be. So, yeah, that's about it. I hope about 6 minutes worth of video is sufficient.